So I'm working in the forward position, and my proximal third of my forearm is making contact with the middle delts. So we can work a little bit more explicitly through the pec minor region, and you may choose to have the arm sort of shelf off the back of the torso, or just keep it in line again with the hip. Here I'm really looking for access to almost like a little bit of a rib shelf on the lateral aspect of the upper rib cage.